Hello, everybody, and once again, a very warm welcome to Unicorn Insight. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for being a part of our audience. It is all your love and best wishes that inspire us to make even much more content. And today we have a very special person with us who has been a very integral and very important part of Unicorn Insight since 2020 March, which is almost a year now. So please join me in welcoming my dear colleague and consultant with Unicorn Insight, Namrata Satpute from Bangalore. Hi, Namrata.
Hi Ashwini. Hello everyone.
So, guys, Namrata has been a part of Unicorn Insight for almost a year now, and she has been a phenomenal contribution to Unicorn Insight. Namrata is a consultant, which means she consults clients for mediumship into Unicorn Insight. Now, we will talk very shortly about what exactly mediumship is and what Namrata does. So, Namrata has been a mediumship consultant since 1st March 2020. And after that, of course, she's also been the co admin in our Facebook community, Unicorn University, and our WhatsApp community, Unicorn University. She's also the face of Unicorn Insight. So, if people know Ashwini as someone who is the founder of Unicorn Insight and the face of Unicorn Insight. They also know Namrata as I always say she's like the co-admin, she's like the co-moderator, and she helps me with all, whenever I'm not being there, she always makes sure that she keeps the brand Unicorn Insight active, live, and inspired. So today we are going to learn a little about what Namrata does, who is she, and what is she going to offer. There is going to be a new addition to our services, which we are going to talk about with Namrata as the primary consultant. So over to you, Namrata. A quick few words about you because I'm sure our audience want to know all about you.
First of all, thank you so very much Ashwini. Heartfelt gratitude to you,
Same
to
here.
all our viewers, to all our clients, to all our supporters. Thank you so very much for making this Unicorn Insight as a brand, because without you we never exist.
Absolutely.
And it's my personal gratitude to you Ashwini for giving me this opportunity to join in Unicorn Insight. Okay, so
The
I
feeling
am
is
here.
mutual, Namrata. The feeling is mutual.
Same here. So I am here to talk a little bit about mediumship. What is mediumship? So mediumship means taking guidance from your loved ones who are now not into this physical reality. Means they are your departed loved ones, and this is what mediumship is about: taking guidance from your loved ones who are not into this physical reality. And there is no mumbo jumbo in it. This is practical science, and it is very possible, not only these days, from ancient times also it used to come like that way only. But yes, because of something we might scared, like, oh, what is this, what is she doing, or something called black magic, or so we never ever tried to explore this area. But can we imagine, like, this is really very much healing effect for both the worlds, I guess. All the souls who want to communicate with their loved ones, and those people who are suffering into this physical reality just because their loved ones are passed and they are unable to bear that pressure. So while providing that guidance from one to another, it's like now that we close that circle, and now both are free, both are at ease
Absolutely.
in their worlds. So this is my work as a post woman. I'm just giving the messages to the clients. So
Such a
this is
cute
what.
word, post woman. That was such a cute word.
Thank you. So this is what mediumship is all about. And what am I doing? The clients are posting me the questions, and I'll take 2 days time. And after 2 days, I'll revert back through WhatsApp or through mail ID, preferably mail ID. So yeah, this way we are done with that mediumship reading.
Wow, and trust me, guys, this is one of the most healing things what someone can experience because we've seen clients. getting that kind of closure, what we call as, from their loved ones, where there are so many emotions which go on and people are grieving. And after a reading, I see a lot of people feel so much freedom, because the emotions are expressed, and it's almost like when they connect to their loved ones, they feel a sense of peace. And I've
Yes.
experienced this myself too. So at the end of the day, we all are human beings, we all have that deep connection, and when we lose a loved one, it's very difficult to grieve. So this service, I think, can help so many people who are grieving right now. And
Yes.
we want the whole purpose of making this video and to let you know of our services and of Namrata's services is so that do not be afraid, do not be frightened, because these are extremely safe readings. And the only reason we are doing it is to give you peace and also to release that burden which is in your emotions.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yes.
Namrata, thank you for enlightening us on that, because the people have a lot of, as you said, mumbo jumbo, black magic, and all of those things about talking to spirits. But I think
Yes.
it is such a noble and a humble act, and I always say it is always supported by the higher powers, by God. So there is
Yes.
nothing to be scared in it. So if any
Yes.
one of you would like to explore it, do get in touch with us. And now, coming to the next service which we are adding, and I'm very excited about it, because in 2021, as we began this new year with Unicorn Insight, and when we all spoke about what are our aspirations and what are the things what we want to experience, what are the goals which we have set, what are the things which we really want to experience this year, or where does our vision go, there was this beautiful thing which came up, and we decided to put it on our Unicorn Insight platter, and of course with our consultant Namrata. So Namrata is going to introduce, or we are going to introduce a new modality at Unicorn Insight, which will be managed, done by none other than, of course, Namrata. And that modality is called as JBP. And before me talking more, let us hear from Namrata, because, of course, she'll be able to give more details about what the modality is and how it will help you. So, Namrata, do let us know what is JBP and how will it help people.
Sure. Sure. Thank you, Ashwini. So, what is JBP? Actually, uh, this there is one modality called light key healing system, which is channeled by Neela Nirmala Raju. With due respect, she is really a great channel. She learned so many modalities and into many things. Even I cannot count what are the things she done. But yes, this light key healing system is one of the best and I feel quickest method of not only fixing, it's like living inside out,
Wow.
especially JBP. So the full form of JBP is Joyous Body Protocol. With the name
Wow.
itself, we came to know like there's something where
Wow.
our body
Yes.
feels more joyful, right? So it really triggers that joy in your body, means it will open up all those things, all those opportunities, maybe all those relationships, or if there is any aches or pains, so healing abilities of your body, whatever is joyful for your body to experience, it will open up, and your body, as we all know, able to heal itself very well.
Absolutely. Yeah. And
We are
that's
the
so beautiful.
one who are doing something with our bodies,
Yeah.
but our bodies are really very intelligent, see, very much intelligent actually, and it is able to give us that joy, that opportunity which we really want to have in our life, which we want to embody ourselves. So there is no separation like, okay, I want this and I am here. So Joyous Body Protocol is like this. So then you will go up and not down. So, yes, it will open yourself, you to receive what is joy for your body. It may be
Beautiful.
any relationship, it may be any opportunities, any kind of healings be possible. The only criteria is you have to open to receive.
Hmm.
Means even if you will sleep and you are open to receive, it will work.
Wow.
So it's nothing that you have to sit. only or sleep or lie down, then only you are able to receive. It's not like that. Yes, if you will do that, that really great. That is really great.
Wow.
Like just you have to sit for 5-10 minutes, just for 11 days, just 5-10 minutes out of 24 hours. I guess we are able to sit for more than 1 hour with our mobile. So at least five
So
ten
true.
minutes is we have to take out for ourselves. And then I just say give it a try. 11 days, 5 to 10 minutes each day, and then I will shut my mouth and you guys will tell me the stories.
Yes, because we've heard already so much that it has created
Yes,
miracles with so many of your clients.
yes,
And
yes,
when
yes. And
Namrata,
it's not, sorry.
no, no, when you mentioned about the whole JBP thing itself, I was like, wow, this is truly magical. And like it was,
Yes,
yeah,
yes. And the people like you or those who knows or understand the energies, they get it more very well,
wow,
I guess. And if they
wow,
don't, then also it's fine.
amazing.
Nothing to know about or majestic about. Just sit and receive. Even if you don't know how to receive, just sit. Have that open mind.
Wow,
So this is what
beautiful.
Joyce Beauty Protocol is all about. So
Beautiful. And yes, we
yeah,
are introducing this amazing modality on Unicorn Insight, on the platter of Unicorn Insight, on the menu of Unicorn Insight. So, to know more and to book a session, you can write an email to us at inbox.unicorninsight at gmail.com, or you could, if you're watching us on YouTube, you could just mention interested below and we can simply share the email ID there as well. The email will also be below this video. If you're watching us on social media, do drop an inbox message to connect and to experience the magic of this process. So, well, as I said, Namrata's skills, or rather, Namrata's contribution with Unicorn Insight began with mediumship, then slowly going to now JBP, and of course, she being the co-admin of Unicorn University Group, and she also being the co-admin of our WhatsApp group. There is so much that she shares, and there is she is, I think, a fantastic a person because she had so much to share, she had so much to contribute. So really happy and blessed to have you, Namrata, as a part of our team.
same here, Ashwini.
And I'm sure that we as Unicorn Insight as a team have been growing for the past 6 to 8 months, especially since the whole lockdown began. Unicorn Insight has taken a different leap, and all of us have started bonding on a different level too. So, before we end, what is one last line of advice you would like to give anyone who is watching our channel? What is that one line of advice or one line of inspiration which you would like to give?
Be yourself. Follow yourself.
Beautiful.
Follow your energy. Yes, I
Amazing.
understand there are many information available outside. Follow yourself. That light is having much more wisdom than anyone else.
Absolutely. Superb. So very, very grateful to have you, Namrata. As you
Same here.
all are watching, Namrata is a part of our beautiful team at Unicorn Insight. We are a very small team. So it's great to have her here. Thank you for watching this video. To know more
Thank
about
you.
our work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. You can follow us on social media. On Facebook, we have a page, Unicorn Insight. Now, there is also a page on my name, which is Ashwini Chube Official, but our official company page is Unicorn underscore Insight. On Instagram, we are Unicorn underscore Insight. And if you're watching us on YouTube, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. We are sending you lots and lots of love, light, wisdom, and may you get all the things you truly desire. And as Namrata said, be yourself, dream more, and let magic happen. Thank you. Bye.
Thank